What's good with y'all? Y'all know what it is. Back again on the video, Raw ATV. In this video, I want to talk about how to make money off an app. There's ways to make money off an app, and this dating app called Tag. I made a video back in, I want to say the beginning of last year, 2021, but I want to update y'all with part 2 of the dating app. So basically, what you do is you enroll in Tag and you go on dating apps, right? Most dating apps, like you heard of Tinder, Bumble, stuff like that. But Tag is a dating app where you can actually make money for people that send you gifts and stuff like that. So if you are a person that are not camera shy, or if you guys got a good personality, it might be a good app for you to make money off of, because people, you know what I'm saying, people get on the apps because they're bored now, because, we're in a pandemic, to be honest, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of people are on the app. So basically, Tag, I got hip to Tag, and I was like, it's a decent app, because it's a good way to, if you're an artist, it's a good way to brand yourself too, because they got like freestyles on there. I don't know, like some people, like, they be freestyling on there, but it's a good way to meet other artists. So if you into networking and learning how to build a brand, basically just interacting with people, like if you want to just talk to somebody, if like your contact say there's nothing in your phone, and you're like, oh, I'm bored, I feel like going talking to somebody, you can go on Tag. It's a good app. It has some flaws to it, like certain people, like, alright, put it like this, like, I'm a dude, so like, it give you, like, you match with girls sometimes, but dudes don't like matching with dudes. So I'm gonna just keep that real with y'all. Because when the dude match with another dude, they like, it's just weird, you know what I'm saying? Like, you like, alright, you don't really want to talk to this dude like that. So so most of the time, people be like, dudes want to match with girls, and probably girls do good with talking with girls. I've seen a lot of girls on there, they do good with just talking with girls on there, and they just, get their ratings up and stuff like that, and they like collab like that. So it's really beneficial for girls, mostly, majority, because a girl, is already automatically attractive. A lot of dudes are gonna try to send them gifts. A lot of dudes are gonna, they're gonna be all over. So if you a girl, it's a win-win situation for y'all, because, you know what I'm saying, like, it could be like your side hustle. You know what I'm saying? It's not like a major, but there's some people that really be on streaming all day. So I don't know. It could be your main income too. It depends. But if you want a little side hustle, this is like, I'll talk about this on my channel. So if you new here, please like this video and please consider subscribing. I got a lot of contacts about how to make money online. So but yeah, it's basically like a little side hustle, and you can do it in your spare time. You want to get on live, you want to talk to somebody, want to network. I met some good people on there. To be honest, I met some, like, when I first got on there, I met some people that end up following me on my Instagram, and they end up checking my music out too. So, and then they end up copping the merch. So I mean, it's a win-win situation if you look at it like on a branding standpoint. And if you ain't got nothing to do, like Instagram is kind of hard to get real engagement because it's photos. But Tag, you actually seeing these people and you can talk to them. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I think it's a pretty good thing, if you want a brand or if you want to make a little side hustle. So if you found this video helpful, please smash that like. Please smash that like. And if you're on Tag, drop your Tag name at the bottom of this video. And happy 2022. I'm going to catch y'all with a new video. It's your boy Raw ATV. Gone.